So welcome back to another RWpro video, where today we're going to be doing a lot more to the Honda. Obviously last video you lot saw what I painted, what I haven't painted, what I've sanded, what I've grinded. But in today's video, first things first, I'm going to put this on because it's a bit cold out there. But in today's video we're going to be getting the grinder out and doing a lot more on the framework of the Honda. Back on the Honda, so obviously you probably see it more now. This part shiny, and then you come to the side of it, rough paint. Whoever painted this before definitely didn't know what they were doing and probably didn't sand it down. So, as you saw there, I've got the music on. I need to turn that off because of copyright. I'll shut the door for now. So, as you saw there, I've gone over it a bit more, just done little bits. Obviously now I'm going to wait for that to cool down, and then I shall put the bike on its side. So, I'll probably push it over and lean it up against something, and then I will get the underneath part, and then I'll also start on the underneath part of this bar here. This bar, I'll start underneath there. So you rejoin me. I actually did get carried away, and I went for my break, had a coffee, and forgot I even was filming a video. Let me just turn this music down. So, I forgot I actually filmed a video, so I've done quite a lot. This whole bar here is now all sanded down and grinded, so from pretty much this point here to pretty much this point here is all smooth. You'll rejoin me once I've done a little bit more. So, I've done a lot more than I probably should have. I'm now ready to get the paint out. I haven't masked anything up because I don't think I need to. Now, I was going to do the body of the bike, the chassis, heat resistant black paint, but I haven't got too much of this left, and I want to use this more on the bike. So the whole frame is going to be done with what's this called, gloss black. You rejoin me. You just saw what I did, painted it up. Now I have got a few smudge marks, one being here and one being on the other side, but apart from that, that's how it's looking. A lot better than what I had on there before. Yeah, here's the other one here, but just there. But you're not really going to see it, are you? Because it's not really like a massive smudge mark on there. And then I've got a bit more down here. and then obviously I've got to flip it and get the underneath part. So you will rejoin me once that's dried. Got the yellow on there now. I've done the black at the bottom with the second coat. Here's the yellow. I've covered up my battery here just because I don't want that obviously getting wet with paint. Right, the yellow has been added. That's the second coat right there. It just needs another coat on a bit more. And what I've done is made a mistake. I let the yellow paint drip onto a freshly painted black. So that's going to have to be sorted out and repainted. I'll just paint over that little yellow spot, not a problem. I've also got another little yellow spot there. So you rejoin me for one last update on the Honda. All the black's painted now. All the yellow is painted, apart from underneath here because I've run out of yellow. And I've all started to sand down this part here. As you can see, that's all now sanded. Not all of it is, but there's still a bit more there. I've started on the other side, and then my sandpaper is just useless now, so I need to get some more sandpaper tomorrow. There it is there. So my plan is to work on this part now. Get this part done, the handlebars, the forks and the main part, and then as soon as that is painted we can start working on the engine. Obviously I want to get some of the parts on the engine painted up as well.